As a professional general contractor for metallurgical projects, SMG focuses on providing one-stop services for complete steel production lines to customers worldwide. We are committed to customizing cost-effective turnkey solutions for steel production lines for every client. Follow SMG's lens into the production base to fully demonstrate the intelligent manufacturing strength of the entire seamless steel pipe production process with rigorous manufacturing techniques. Workers hold measuring tools to conduct extremely rigorous manual diameter measurement on each solid round steel. The powerful heavy-duty electromagnetic chuck starts smoothly. Heavy solid round steels are firmly adsorbed and march in an orderly manner towards the core cutting area. Accompanied by sharp mechanical roars, the automatic cold saw cuts in at high speed. With extremely high feeding precision, the sharp alloy saw blades perfectly cut round steels into fixed-length pipe blanks in strict accordance with process standards. The camera moves to the large annular heating furnace. The cut pipe blanks are accurately fed into the huge annular heating furnace by the feeding mechanical arms. Under the continuous uniform heating of raging flames inside the furnace, the pipe blanks are evenly heated to the optimal golden rolling temperature. The red-hot steel blanks, like crimson dragons, are steadily extracted by the discharging mechanical arm and smoothly conveyed onto the roller table. The steel blanks speed along the roller table, heading for the next working procedure. Next comes the highlight moment of seamless forming. The red-hot pipe blanks are rapidly fed into the cone-piercing mill. Under the powerful rotary engagement of tapered rolls and penetration of the piercing mandrel, the center of hard solid round steel is instantly pierced through. The physical transformation from solid to hollow is perfectly completed, and thick-walled shell tubes are thus produced. Breaking through top-tier technological barriers, SMG customizes various core piercing equipment with solid strength, ensuring every high-speed penetration is powerful and precise. To guarantee rolling quality, the shell tubes rapidly pass through the induction heating furnace for rapid temperature compensation and uniform heating. Then the red-hot shell tubes dart straight into the core multi-stand continuous rolling unit like crimson sharp swords. Under the continuous engagement of heavy-duty rolls and tremendous rolling force, the pipe walls are thin and fully elongated in a high-frequency and precise manner. The metallographic structure undergoes extreme compaction, fully unleashing unparalleled strength and toughness. This fully embodies the delivery strength of SMG's high-end equipment. As a professional general contractor for metallurgical projects, SMG is capable of customized delivery of such core equipment. After wall reduction and elongation, the steel pipes swiftly enter the sizing mill group through high-frequency, continuous micro-deformation treatment by multiple stands. The final outer diameter of the steel pipes is firmly controlled within extremely strict tolerance ranges. We help you build high-quality steel production lines with professional strength and cost-effective products and services. Strength shapes quality, and SMG provides full process escort for you. Choose SMG. Live up to your trust.